Hello, welcome to Make Your Shakes. Today we're gonna make a chocolate shake with a banana in it, and trust me, it is good. Okay, first you need what you need in this show. You need a blender. You need milk. You need chocolate. And you need especially a banana. First, turn your blender and put some milk in it. Milk. It's right there. For only you or for more people, it's okay. And then, you get a spoon. Some chocolate in it. You put some chocolate in it. Okay. When you're done with that, come in here. Get this, peel it. Perfect banana. How perfect banana. Naked banana. Wow. Now get a knife. And cut it. Now put the bananas in there. Okay, that's all. Put like a whole banana, okay? Okay, put the lid on. And if you don't have this kind of thing, and put it on blend, okay? Oh gosh. Now get a glass. Grab your sweet chocolate milk and pour it in here. And remember, chocolate is good for you. Just kidding. Bye.